So the total for October, the winner who was closest was... Hi little commas, how are you? This isn't very high, is it? Flip. Come down a bit. Don't know what I'm doing here. Right, hi little commas, welcome back to the video you've all been waiting for, is the October earnings for a small YouTube channel. Fill you in quickly, I've got a parody cycling vlog, kind of comedy, I'll let you call it comedy if you think it's funny, channel, which just funny sort of little skits about me going out cycling and bumping into people and stuff like that. This is the behind the scenes channel of that channel. On the main channel we've got 931 subscribers. We started in 1st of April, 1st of May. I probably should check that. 932 subscribers, so that's great. We're not at 1,000 subs yet. That means we can't get monetized by YouTube. We can't apply for the partnership program. We can't place ads at the start, in the middle, or wherever. At the moment we just have to add affiliate links, little bits like that. We started Patreon, so thank you again to the huge Patreon support that I'm getting at the moment. Unbelievable, thank you. Still not quite happy with that angle, but there we go. Yeah, we did a little prize last guess. So in the last video for September, September's earnings was £172.39. I did like a little guess for October, the closest person win a little prize. So we'll reveal that shortly as well, so stay tuned to see if you did win, and put a guess down again on this video, and we'll do it again for the next month. Closest person to the earnings will get a prize. So October, okay, let's start with the Patreons. Fantastic support with the Patreons again. Had a new Patreon come on board, Andy Gubb. He's a huge comma, I think it's labelled as on there, so it means he gets a call once a month and stuff, and we get to chat about a few things. And for his level, I've put a link in the description of these videos and the main videos as well. So yeah, I'll do a couple of shout outs. So that's taken our Patreon up to £95 for the month. So £95 up from last month, which in a minute you'll see is quite helpful because we're down on something else. So yeah, huge thanks to the Patreons. They're all legends. Can't thank you enough. Again, probably don't give you enough exclusive content. I really do appreciate it, and you know, just glad you're supporting the channel. I know it's a tough time at the moment, so please don't feel that you have to. Yeah, but it's a huge help. You guys know the amount of time that I plough into the channel from here, so it does really sort of spur me on to go and create content for you guys. So that's Patreon. Next one, which is the big one from last month, as you know, the last video is the Barna glasses. So that's these glasses. I've got an affiliate link, and I've made a little video back at the start of the other lockdown. We're going into lockdown 2 now in the UK. 3-4 minute video just explaining the glasses, why I like them, and put an affiliate link in there. Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky. Last month, when I was filming the video for the September version, I realised that I just hadn't made any sort of affiliate link. Weird, because people are clicking through and there's just nothing happening there. It's unusual not to make at least one sale. The video's doing, well, it's not doing huge numbers, but I think it's up to nearly 5,000 views by now. And I was just like, oh. And I looked into it, and it turns out that the company that Barna used for their affiliate program, they'd stopped using them. So it's like, you don't get told. No one told me as an affiliate or whatever, as a user, or, you know, Barna affiliate. Barna don't know, I guess. They just pay Kick Booster and then I get my cut from there. So yes, annoying, because this month, yeah, without that, so you can see like in October, at the start of October, just wiped out with no sales, because obviously if you think there's been no clicks registered, so platform. So I quickly joined the new platform, got approved, updated all my links on the videos and elsewhere, maybe on the website and stuff like that, to the new affiliate link. In October, we made £57 from people buying these glasses through my affiliate link. £57 is fantastic. £57, the fact that it was, the first sale was the 11th of October. So, you know, 11th of October to the end of October is £57. And a conversion rate, and not a lot of clicks, 76 clicks on the new system. So that's technically a bit lower than last time, but it kind of, you know, I'm glad I spotted it. And we'll talk about Wiggle now, and I think there might be something happening there as well. So, okay, so that's Barna's, that's £57. Wiggle. So I've got an affiliate link with Wiggle. Yeah, there's always a link below in the description. So if you are buying anything on Wiggle, it won't cost you any extra money to go and click on that link and go and buy something. But if you're buying something, it's UK at the moment. I think there are some international links that I can use, but I haven't really sort of worked that out yet. And last month we had, well, I say last month, I mean in the last video we had something like was £43.28. That was in September. In October it was £1.20. Which, yeah, I'm not sure it's right, because I know someone's bought a turbo trainer through the link and I don't know if it's registered. So again, I'm gonna have to look into it. I'll contact the affiliate company and just check if everything's all right. I don't know. I know what's happening there, but it's annoying because we've doubled the amount of clicks on it. So it's like 80 clicks through, whereas the month in September was 40 clicks through. So we've doubled the click-through rate and we've kind of earned nothing from it. So, but it was strange why it would have picked up one sale, so which is like the £1.20. So yeah, again, I will put a support ticket in and just say what's going on here. Something's not happening there, right? So I need to look into that. So that's £1.20. And then the other thing I did some Amazon affiliate links on some vitamins. We had about 20 clicks on a video which hasn't got a lot of views, so that's pretty good goings, but no sales. But yeah, 20 clicks, really good. So no sales off that one, so nothing there. So the total for October, but considering we are down a lot on the Wiggle, technically down on the Barna because of the amount of days that we had to earn the money, it was £153.20. Which again, we're not making money from YouTube videos. No advertisements coming in. So £153.20. The month before was £172.39. So nearly a difference of 20 quid than the month before. And so that means, I think, looking at it, the winner of who was closest was Lee Baxter. Yeah, Lee Baxter, Patreon Lee Baxter. Just watch it. I've wiped off all the names. I'm going to read, so just subscribe for now. But I'll pull the Patreons there because it was just getting a bit messy, so I'm going to redo that. So just need to get some, it's just a bit grubby, so I need to, probably didn't look like it, but I need to get. Yes, Lee Baxter, you've won a mug. It's not dishwasher safe, but you've won a mug. So there's not very many of the people in the country yet, because the shop's not live yet. Again, sorry, it will be. There's not very many people in the country with one of those, so yeah, so we'll get a mug out to you. I think I've got your address from the mask, so I'll sort that out to you, mate. Thank you. So guess below. So £153.20 we made in October. Guess below, guess in the comments how much you think it's going to be for November, and we'll do the same thing. We'll give away a mug in November. What is it going to be? Who knows? Well, you know, hopefully if no one stopped the Patreon, it's going to be £95 from the Patreon, and there we go. You can see roughly how much we made from the glasses. Is that going to explode? Is it going to go down? Am I going to sort out the Wiggle issue? Who knows? So guess below, and if you liked these videos, subscribe. This is September, so you can watch the September one. This will be November eventually. I don't know what it is now, but it will be November, and subscribe.